Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. I hope you are doing well today. I'm doing great because I'm here with you doing math. What could be more exciting? I don't know. So let's get started. I'm going to introduce you to, well, some of you may have played this before, but for some of you it may be new. So I don't really know what to call it. Maybe like my five frame, because that's what it says here. But here's what you need to do. In your math packet, there'll be a paper that looks just like this. It'll say my die, which is going to be you need one of your dice from your bag. You need, it'll say my five frame, and over here it says numeral, which means number. Okay? So you take that out of your math packet, and you put it into, here I'll show you, put it into your dry erase sleeve, like this. Sorry, it's kind of reflective. Okay, so that way we can write on it. Okay, so you put that in there. You might need help. It's a little tricky sometimes getting it in there. You might need help from somebody at home. Okay, so you also need one of your dice from your bag. Let me go back to here. And you'll need a marker and an eraser. Okay? But you won't need the eraser for a while. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to play. So pause the video and get the materials that you need. And then once you have that, come on back. Okay? Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, I've had a chance to try and fix my hair because it's always getting crazy. Welcome back. So, here's how you play. Okay, you take the dice. Okay, it's called, if there's one of them, you just call it a die. It's kind of a funny name. So I'm going to roll it. Okay, so I got a 4. Right, do you see that I got a 4? Okay, so here I draw what it looks like with dots. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it looks just like that. And then here I can either can get my connecting cubes and put in 4 connecting cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Or if you'd rather, you could draw 4 shapes. Like maybe I'll do 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I'm going to write the number 4. So I'm going to come down, across, and then down again. Okay? All right, and then guess what? We do it again. All right, let's roll. Okay, I got 2. So I'm going to do it now. 2 could look like this. It could look like this, or it could look like this. All right, it's going to look like this or like this. So I'll do it that way this time. 1, 2. Okay? So I'm going to draw 2 squares this time. You might want to use your connecting cubes. 1, 2. Okay, and then I'm going to write the numeral 2. 2. Okay? All right, and we'll do another one. So boys and girls, don't do what I'm doing. I'm just showing you how to play it. And then once you understand it, you can play it yourself. I got another 2. I'm going to try for a different number because I just did the number 2. It's okay to re-roll if you want. I got another 4. All right, I can do 4 again. But I'm going to go, 5. All right, let's do 5. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 1 in the middle like that. Did I do a good job? Okay. And then I'm going to put 5 shapes in. I'll put 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I write the number 5. Across, down, and around. You'll notice that if I roll a 6, there's not enough space for 6. So if you roll a 6, just roll it again. Okay? All right, so when you filled out the whole paper, then you can erase it. And you've played the game. And you can play again if you'd like. Okay? It's a great game for practicing your numbers as well as writing your numbers. Okay? And it's fun. Okay. All right, boys and girls. Have fun with this. And I will see you soon. All right? Bye-bye.